I'm Ron from Kolleno, your go-to platform for efficiently chasing invoices generated by SuiteBilling. Today I will show you how to activate a subscription in NetSuite. First we will go to Transactions, Subscriptions, Create Subscriptions, List. You can obviously use the global search or look in recent records to find a subscription. So here we will choose one of the subscriptions and click on the Edit button. On the Lines subtab for any items in the Not Included status, you will need to check the Include box and then click OK. If it is in a Draft status, you will need to change it to Pending Activation and then mark OK. Once all items are in Pending Activation, you can click on Activate at the top of the page. So I will save. And that's it. Now it's saved and you see that I have this Activate button. So I will click on it. So now we are on the Subscription Change Order Activate page. You will need to select the Apply box for all the items you want to activate. Here, for the example, I have only one, so I click only one here. And then I simply click on Save and your subscription is now active. So that enables to activate a subscription. Don't forget please to like this video if you found it helpful, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.